name's Brenton, and this is...
Okay, we're cousins, and we're guest starring here on the Robinsons channel, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing of...
Giant Dominos.
Down!
Okay. You ready?
Yes!
Uncle Carl, can you grab us a knife?
So the first thing we got here, it looks like some directions.
So, let's see what all came with it.
So the box came with a little candle, so that's pretty efficient. And then the instructions that came with it, it says Domino Rally. It has some basics, tips, and tricks. On the other side, it shows how to actually play.
And on this side, it has the dominoes, and you can tell by my hand that they're way bigger than the normal dominoes. You ever play dominoes before?
I have a while ago, but I haven't played recently.
Let's give it a shot.
Yeah! Wow!
Domino!
Man!
Whoa, calm down there. What did you think about him?
I thought it was actually really fun. I like how not normal the size is. It's a lot harder to lose them.
Yeah, and they're pretty fun to play with.
It was really fun. Except for the losing part. I did not like losing, and as you can see, I took it very hard on myself, and it's okay though. It was fun.
I'm excited to try the Domino Rally.
Let's set that up.
Yeah.
Wow! Let's give it a try! Why did you say so?
Okay. Whoa! So, I'd give the game a 10 out of 10 because I won, and I'll give the rally a 9 out of 10 because I messed up.
I give the game an 8 out of 10 probably because I lost. But I will say it was very fun, and I like size.
Thanks for watching. This is the Robinsons channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button and ring that notification bell.